Hi, today I'm going to speak to you about neoevolution. Henry Feinberg describes neoevolution as the new evolution that not simply natural, but guided and chosen by us as individuals in the choice that we will make. Neoevolution is a social theory that tries to explain the evolution of societies by using Darwin's theory of evolution. This to me means transhumanism and the belief that we can use technology to become better humans. We can make the choices to have bionic parts and live longer, or take pills to prevent diseases from coming later on. This to me is very crazy, but I see every day the advances are coming faster as they progress through medical technology and bioengineering. The primary tenet of neoevolution is the belief that we can be better versions of ourselves, or what they like to call post-human. An example of this is when Icarus built wings to try and escape his prison in Crete. Neoevolutionists ask the question, what if? And are willing to go to places that others wouldn't dare dream of to get the results they have now. An example of this neoevolution is the ability to use stem cells to help with medical problems. This type of technology is allowing us to use adult or embryonic cells to help people with spinal injuries, or we can use these cells to keep later to help regenerate cells that we no longer have in our body. Daniel Kraft tells us we can now reprogram your cells to actually look like pluripotent embryonic stem cell and to utilize those potentially to treat multiple organs in the same patient, making your own personal stem cell line. This to me means that we are on our way of attempting immortality. In doing this, we could potentially help ourselves later on in life. This is altering human evolution by allowing the weak to live instead of letting nature take its course. The potential benefits of this type of technology are endless and will help us to become better humans in the long run. Do we really need to live forever? I don't think so. Paul Rootwolp tells us we are now taking control of our own evolution. We are directly designing the future of the species of this planet. This to me means that we are trying to help create a better environment and better species to live in this digital age. In doing this, we can truly create a utopian society and allow the weak to live and the strong to become better. The potential drawback to this technology is rejection. Our bodies may not accept this new form of technology, and we will suffer for it in the long run. According to Michael Bess, direct intervention at the level of human genome is potentially the most powerful form of enhancement because it can modify not just a single individual in the here and now, but entire lineages of humans down through generations. This could be a very bad thing because if we change something now, who knows what it can evolve into later on. We could end up with mutants and truly horrifying results if we are not careful. If we continue like this, we could become extinct or even worse. The moral implications of neoevolution are that people won't want to use the technology to create what they think is wrong. Wrong in as it's not the natural order of things. Religious people will not go along with scientists attempting to play God and creating new creatures. Immortality is something that man has always been after. According to Fukuyama, if a genetic shortcut to immortality exists, the race is already on within the biotech industry to find it. This means to me that no matter how immoral or how unethical it is, scientists will do whatever it takes to become something that should not be. Ethical problems with this are that people won't want to see babies used to help with research or animals changed for the benefit of science. We as a society should look at this with our head hanging in shame because we allow scientists to do whatever they want. I personally do not believe we should continue in this manner in which we are going about getting to neoevolution. We should try to find another way to help people without being immoral or unethical. We need to stand up and tell them, no, this is not the way to bring about change in society and evolution. We as a society already put too much pressure on our bodies to adapt. Why keep going and create more problems than solutions? I would like to see the advances in science, but not ones that cause people to stop existing. I like what neoevolution could do, not what it is doing.